5 unexpected things that make you more attractive. Attractiveness is a complex blend of physical features, personality traits, and even subtle behaviors. While traditional notions of beauty often dominate discussions, there are several unexpected factors that can significantly enhance your appeal. Let's explore 5 of these often overlooked qualities. A good sense of humor. Laughter is contagious, and a person who can make others smile is inherently attractive. Humor demonstrates intelligence, wit, and the ability to lighten the mood, making you more enjoyable to be around. Kindness and compassion. A kind and compassionate heart is one of the most attractive qualities a person can possess. Empathy, understanding, and a willingness to help others create a positive aura that draws people in. Confidence, not arrogance. Confidence is magnetic. It's the ability to believe in yourself and your abilities without being boastful. Confident individuals exude an air of self-assurance that is both attractive and inspiring. Curiosity and open-mindedness. People who are curious and open to new experiences are fascinating. They have a thirst for knowledge, a willingness to explore different perspectives, and a vibrant energy that is infectious. A passion for life. Having a passion, whether it's a hobby, a cause, or a career, adds depth and purpose to your life. Passionate people are often more engaged, enthusiastic, and inspiring, making them more attractive to others. Remember, true attractiveness goes beyond superficial qualities. It's about cultivating a positive inner world and radiating that positivity outward. By focusing on these unexpected factors, you can enhance your appeal and build stronger, more meaningful connections with others.